Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia. So this is going to be a very interesting ponytail review install tutorial. All right, so this is actually a like a half wig, but it also can be worn as a ponytail. This is the Freetress drawstring full cap. It's in style Sunny Girl. And I've, of course, I got it in color 1B. So you can see where she's wearing it as like a half wig. She has to have some of her hair pulled out. So I'm assuming she has some of her hair pulled back. And then over here, she also has it in a ponytail. And it says that it can be worn in a ponytail. So when I saw it, I'm just like, okay, well, this might be able to get me the long ponytail I'm looking for. So let me open it up for you guys real quick. So we have one comb in the back. And then we have one big comb in the front. And then also in the back, so they have this drawstring right here. And you can tell that if you're wearing it as a wig, it hides under the back. So this is the back of the wig. So I see the tag. So you can hide it under the back of the wig. Right. So the ponytail is on. I have a feeling that because my bun at the top, you see how we kind of do like, see how you can clearly see where my bun is? Because my bun is so thick that I'm probably going to have to use like a safety pin or something, or a bobby pin. But this is the ponytail. All right, so yeah, so that's just this is just a quick review. I did, while we're here, I'll make the adjustment up here later, but while I do guys have you here, I want to show you guys all the different hairstyles that I'm thinking about when I wear this wig out, and then you guys can try it for yourself. I don't really remember how much it costs. I know it's cheap because I don't pay a lot of money for hair. So I think it's less than 25, but if not, I will go ahead and include the link in the description box. So let's just go and get into what I'm thinking about doing. Once again, guys, very spur of the moment, but the different hairstyles that I'm thinking about for this ponytail. We're over here, and we have a side ponytail. Or we bring it in the front, and it looks like we have half of our hair. You see this? Something as simple as just moving it all to one side. You see, guys? How cute is that? That is so cute. Okay, so if I'm right here and I've decided that, okay, I kind of don't really want the side ponytail, let's just throw it all in a bun. What you're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Don't go in the front because you see how you get this big poof? You want to go opposite, so you want to go around. You see how I just made a quick little bun that has the twist on the side? And you're just going to bobby pin that. And now you have like a cute bun. And then while you have it over here on the side, come on here, cooperate. Well, you've got it over here on the side. You could do either one. I'm going to twist it really quick because it's faster for me to twist. So we've kind of got like a nice thick chunky twist over here. You can do it on either side, or you could do it in the back. I will probably end up doing it in the back just because I just don't want it all in my face. And so you see we've got this and a twist, and then if we decide that we don't want that anymore, we want a bun, what you are going to do is, instead of going in the front to kind of, you see how it gives you this, we're going to go the other way, wrap it, and you get a perfectly nice bun without any of the flyaways. And I'm just gonna bobby pin this. I lost my bobby pin, but you guys get the pictures. So yeah, guys, this wig, as I have as a ponytail, is very versatile. I am going to do a video later that will show it in a half wig status. I just have my hair all straightened up, and I think I'm gonna go out with this wig because I just don't feel like doing anything else to my hair. But yeah, this is a great wig slash ponytail, and will definitely be going in my suitcase when I go on vacation. Like I said, I'll remember to put the link in the description box as to where I got it from. If you guys like this wig, let me know. I like to get comments and feedback from you guys. Most of you guys know that I do try to comment, like, respond to all of you guys that are commenting, so I do appreciate the love. I do appreciate the support. I'm also going to link my lippy, because I get a lot of questions in regards to what lip I'm wearing in the video. So I'll put that down there as well. In the meantime and in between time, guys, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe all my other videos. Let me know what you want to see, what you're looking for, yada, yada, yada. And I will catch you guys next week. Bye.